Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is the Hair Guru Carla and I'm back with another video. I'm back with a very quick updated video about my client, her maintenance, and how long her hair lasts. This is a month later after she got her sewing. Or a lot of viewers ask, how long does her hairstyle last? And how does she maintain and how does she shampoo her hair? So I'm here with an updated video. This is a month later. So I'm gonna show you guys how this hair is shampooed. As y'all can see her part, it spread it a little bit after a month. So she's back for me to shampoo her hair and she wants a different style, and I also have to redo her part since it's spread it a little bit. So this is an updated video, and also she had a little bit of hair growth on her hairline. I'm guessing in some areas of her head her alopecia is permanent. Not sure about the rest of her hair because she still has this hairstyle in. So I won't be able to tell until she takes the hairstyle down. She used the Hair Guru Carla hair growth oil, but she said she did not use it every day. Sometimes she forgets. So this is an updated video, real quick updated video. So if y'all are interested in this video and the final hairstyle, y'all stay tuned in. Okay, so like I said, this is a real quick video on how she maintained this hairstyle. She is still wearing this hairstyle to this present day. She's also still trying to find a trichologist. So if y'all know anyone in the North Florida area, y'all can please drop that information in the comment section and it will be appreciated. So this is the final look. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all can leave y'all comment in the comment section. If y'all like my video, y'all can give me a thumbs up. And thank y'all for watching my video. Until my next video, y'all stay safe and stay blessed.